This 2021 Jayco Pinnacle 36 SSWS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, spare tire kit, TV, smoke detector, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Pinnacle 36 SSWS is 14,105 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.